go online and check out reviews for hotels and resorts before you book? Well, there is word that some hotels and vacation hotspots are in hot water for writing their own website reviews while claiming to be just regular tourists. So we have got more on that and the red flags you should know to spot a fake review.
Excellent service. Can't wait to return.
Before you book, chances are you look to see what other travelers have to say.
If I'm going to spend $3,000 on something, I'm going to research it a lot.
Tyler Hurst says he glances at hotel reviews on sites like TripAdvisor and Hotels.com when he plans his trips, but he's never really believed all of them.
The trust isn't there.
Tyler is a writer who blogs about the power of social media to share feedback instantly. And in this case, he says the sharing isn't always honest.
We kind of fall into just believing things because we want to believe them. We do want to believe that everything's great.
TripAdvisor.com is now posting red flags on certain hotels like this one, saying, quote, there's reasonable cause to believe an individual has interfered with traveler reviews.
People online, they're typing quick, they're using text speak.
Tyler tells us the real reviews are often really poorly written, and there's more.
Here you go. There's 3 reviews up here on the very front page.
Look at the dates of the reviews. If a hotel usually gets a review, say, once a month, but for some reason has 5 great reviews in one day, you should proceed with caution.
If you end up spending a ton of money and get bilked out of something, not that it's your fault, but you could have prevented that.
Remember what the experts say. There are plenty of good and bad reviews. Somewhere in the middle is probably the truth. So keep that in mind if you're checking out those reviews.